To safely view a solar eclipse, it's essential to understand the different methods and precautions to take. There are two types of solar eclipses: total and partial. While a total eclipse can be viewed with the naked eye, watching a partial eclipse without proper eye protection is not advisable, as it can lead to permanent eye damage, blindness, or retinal burns. Fortunately, there are several safe ways to view a solar eclipse. One option is to use solar filters, such as solar eclipse glasses or handheld solar viewers, which protect the eyes. However, regular sunglasses are not sufficient, and filters should not be placed on telescopes or cameras. When purchasing solar filters, look for those certified as ISO 12312-2. Another method is to utilize the natural filtering effect of tree canopies and leaves, which can project a filtered version of the solar eclipse onto the ground, creating crescent shapes through the leaf gaps. During a total eclipse, when the moon completely covers the sun, it is possible to view the eclipse with the naked eye, but only for a brief period, and eye protection should be used as soon as the moon starts to reveal part of the sun. Additionally, a DIY pinhole viewer can be made using cardboard, foil, and tape, by creating a pinhole in the foil and projecting the image onto a white screen, with the eclipse behind the viewer. By using these methods, it is possible to safely view a solar eclipse and enjoy this rare celestial event.